Nobody asked Stuttgart to build a hot rod yacht. Mercedes-AMG already has the brutal GT Roadster. Porsche has the track-slaying 911 Turbo S. Germany owns the performance convertible conversation. So when Mercedes announced they were taking their sharp SL platform and handing it to the ultra-luxury wizards at Maybach, the world hesitated. A Maybach SL? Blending a sports car soul with a rolling palace? That sounded like either a massive identity crisis or the most dangerous lifestyle statement ever made. After analyzing this 2027 machine, I am convinced it is the latter. Maybach does not enter a segment unless they intend to completely redefine its tax bracket. If breakdowns like this are why you come to YouTube, hit subscribe to CarZoomer. You will not find this level of depth anywhere else.
The timing here is surgical. The Porsche 911 Turbo S Cabriolet gives you 640 horsepower of track violence for $243,000. The Bentley Continental GT Speed pushes high-end British theater at $330,000. But here is the blind spot. The Porsche is stiff and loud. Your spine knows it after an hour. The Bentley is gorgeous, but it feels its massive 5,300-pound weight in the corners. That void between raw track agility and absolute luxury isolation is where Maybach plants its flag. Under the long hood sits a hand-built 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 pumping out 577 horsepower. It rockets from 0 to 60 in just 4.0 seconds flat through an intelligent 4MATIC Plus all-wheel drive system. Drop your country in the comments right now. I want to see how far the CarZoomer community stretches across the globe.
Straight-line speed is easy. What makes this car insane is how it handles physics. Maybach loaded this machine with custom active air suspension and rear axle steering. The active engine mounts completely eliminate vibration at idle, but stiffen up for cornering. You get a roadster that handles with sports car precision, but floats like a hovercraft. Inside, it occupies a different dimension. The central touchscreen physically tilts to eliminate sun glare when the top is down. Burmester delivers a 4D surround sound system with speakers built directly into the headrests. Wrapped in hand-stitched Nappa leather and polished chrome, the acoustic soft top renders the cabin completely silent. It's a high-end sanctuary that happens to drop its roof in 15 seconds.
Projected between $210,000 and $250,000, this vehicle delivers what rivals cannot sell you: absolute exclusivity. The Porsche buyer wants lap times, the Bentley buyer wants classic prestige, the Maybach SL buyer wants avant-garde luxury in a devastating silhouette. Mercedes-Maybach did not build this to blend in. They built it to sit alone at the top. Tell me below, is the 2027 Maybach SL the ultimate open-top masterpiece, or did Stuttgart push it too far? This is CarZoomer, and I will see you in the next one.